elbows forward, head down. That's it. Go all floppy and relax. That's it. Take a nice breath in and out. Coming back, all relaxed. Beautiful. And relax your arms. How's it feel?
Yeah, so much better.
Good. Okay. So keep your whole leg straight. Raise it up into the air high as you can, please. Just the one leg. Just this. Yeah, that's it. High as you can go. And down. Try the other side too, please. And down. Was it harder on one side at all?
Probably the right.
Right one? Okay. Adjustment through your pelvis. So you're going to hear this noise from the table like this. It'll drop down and make this noise. So that's just the table, it's not your back when you do it, okay? Take a breath in, please. And let it go. And breath in. And let that go. Good. Alright, try one leg at a time, please. As you did before. Good, and the other side. Very nice. What did you notice there?
Oh, much higher.
Yeah, much higher. They both went higher. You see your right still tight. So we're going to work on one of the issues we saw at the top in your examination. So first we're going to do a little check. Tell me if you feel dizzy or sick here.
No.
All good. The other side, dizzy or sick there.
No.
Good. Head down. Go. You might hear a click or a pop on this. So, let it go.
Oh, that's so nice.
You like that?
Oh.
And raise up one leg at a time, like you did before. Wow. And the other side. Cool.
What the fuck?
How does that feel?
Yeah, so much better.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, and relax it down there. Get rid of that. Now we're going to do adjustment in the middle as well. So we saw it just in here. Take a nice breath in. And relax the shoulders. There we go. Beautiful. And please sit up facing this way. Interlock your fingers behind your neck. Yeah. Elbows forward, head down. That's it. Go all floppy and relax. That's it. Take a nice breath in and out. Coming back, all relaxed. Beautiful. And relax your arms. How's it feel?
Yeah, so much better.
Good, good. All right. So you can see your adjustments, they don't take long to do, but they're very powerful. So all will happen in the next 24 hours. Sometimes you feel a bit sore, sometimes you feel really good. It'll go up and down naturally as your body's changing and adapting. Yeah, so before you jump in your car, you drove it? Yeah. So before you jump in your car, do have a walk around, let your body settle in for a few minutes. That way your body can adapt more to what we're doing. Beautiful. Cool. This is for you as well. We spoke about, we put all those results in there. There we go. So this sheet has QR codes that go to videos 1 or 2 minutes long talking about different habits. So we spoke about the sleeping on the stomach, so please don't do that. But how you use your device, how you sleep, how you sit, things like these, all super important. So please watch those. They'll give you a good start. I'll get your exercise program ready. I'll give it to you after the next visit. Appointments are already in here. And just let us know about your options that you want to take next time if you want to take one of those options. I'll leave that with you.
Beautiful.
Okay. Look forward to seeing the changes.
Thank you very much, Anthony.
My pleasure.